New videos every day. Life, wisdom.
We're looking at the lower back here, and the structures of the lower back, you'll have a vertebra, and then in between the vertebra you'll have a little, it's what we call the disc, and the disc is a cartilage piece that's like a spacer in there. It provides a lot of cushion for our spines, and it is also gives space so that the nerves don't get pinched in your spine. Now, oftentimes when a person has had a misalignment in their spine for a long time, that disc can start to wear abnormally, and occasionally, and often with tragic results, it will actually herniate or bulge back. And anybody who's ever had a bulging disc can tell you they're very, very painful. So this technique that I'm using now actually helps to keep those discs in top condition. Unfortunately, if they've already been ruptured or have a problem, this is a good surgical alternative to that. We can actually get the disc repositioned and away from the nerve and get the person rehabilitated, oftentimes without surgery. So I kind of want to show you what this is like. It's a real gentle maneuver, and often the person will say that it hurts really good. And that just means that it really feels good. It's kind of like a scratching an itch that really needs it. But we get right on the vertebra here, and we're kind of holding it firm, and we're using this hand to kind of traction the spine. And what this is doing is it's providing flexion to the spine, like as if you were bending over to touch your toes, and it's also providing distraction, which means the spine is actually being stretched. And when I have a patient, oftentimes they'll come into me and they'll say, "Dr. Echols, I feel like I just need somebody to stretch me out, stretch my spine." And that person is really telling you really what their problem is. They're telling you that they've got a pinched nerve in there. The spine is too compressed and it needs to be distracted or stretched. So this is what that does. Karina, how's that feeling on there?
Feels great.
Feels really good. And this table that I have is kind of neat because it also allows us to swing the table this way, just like that. And we can go both sides here. And oftentimes, depending upon which way the disc is herniated, will determine which way we want to swing this table. This is a really good technique for helping not only with herniated discs, but just for lower backs in general, to help keep those joints really nice and healthy. So don't wait till your spine breaks before you try to get it fixed. Just go ahead and keep it in good shape, and you'll be a lot happier in the long run.